Oh, hello there, friends. Today I am going to bake chicken drumstick, chicken legs. No legs, just drumstick. Uh, I am getting ready to walk my dogs. They're following me everywhere, so I'm dressed up for walking. But before I do that, I want to soak the chicken first. So when I come back walking, it's ready for me to bake. And this is 5 pounds. I still have ice. Even I left it whole day and whole evening in the refrigerator. I still have hair. Few left. I'm just separating this first so it can spread and it can be covered with water. Should drain this later. Back. So I am going to soak this with salt to remove the blood in the chicken. I use a sea salt. I soak this at least 20-25 minutes until the blood come out from the chicken. So I am just going to cover this, and I go walking with my babies, and then I come back and prepare that ready for baking. See you shortly. Well, hello my friend, I'm back. This is that chicken that I soaked earlier. As you can see now, I soak it for a little bit more than an hour because I went walking with my dog. As you can see, the water is kind of pinkish red. That is the blood from the chicken. So that was the purpose of my using salt when I soak the chicken, because it will remove this is not gonna come out. It will remove the blood from the chicken. So I will wash this, and I will bake it, and I need to be careful using more salt during baking. Seems like my finger work well on removing the hair than my tweezer. See, no more blood. And it removes the smell, the chicken smell. That's the reason I use the salt. See that? No more red blood on it. It's all clean up. I just need to dry it. This is a flour. I will use like about a cup. And I will add a dash of ginger. A little turmeric, about a teaspoon. Oregano. Just for give a nice smell. And lemon pepper, teaspoon. And a teaspoon of salt. Mix them together. And I will bake this in the oven in 350 Fahrenheit. And when you get to 30 minutes, I will turn it over. I like my baked chicken, get the skin a little crispy. So until it get to golden brown. The oven is preheated to 350. I want to put some, this is flavored olive oil that I will put on my baking pan here so it doesn't stick. Stick the skin of my chicken. I learned that you get a good amount of collagen by eating the chicken skin. So that's why I like to make the chicken skin crisp, because it's tastier. I need to eat them. turn that over. I think will fit on this baking pan. Just the right amount. And when the oven is ready, I will just stick that in the oven.